Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got on here today to show y'all that I have really messed up. I ordered a product online despite what all the reviews said. I thought to myself, it can't be as bad as they say. This is something they're selling on the market. And it was as bad as they say. And what I bought was a vertically driven products center console for JJ. I've been looking for a console for JJ, and I wanted somewhere to put my elbow going down the road because I have the SE model over here and there's nothing there but a e-brake. I've been looking online on eBay on the OEM products, factory TJ consoles, and I didn't want to pay $250 for one. I could live without one, so I thought I'll give this a try. And anyway, I'll just show you what it looks like now. Alright guys, here's the little product I was talking about. This is vertically driven product. I'm not exactly sure, but anyway, this is my center console for my 1997 model TJ Jeep Wrangler, and this is the good looking side. It don't look just terrible, but you can see it's got some spots that kind of look more flat black, some spots that look a little more shiny. The gap right here is pretty good, but you flip it around and you'll notice the gap on the lid is like horrendous. It just don't look good at all, and there's nothing I can really do about it. When I first, the lid is locked right now, and I've got it in there pretty securely, but when I first got it I had trouble getting the lid to lock. It was like the lock was not twisted around enough. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put it in. The reason I say that I'm disappointed in it is I paid shipping and all. I paid $95 for this thing, so I can make it look better. I can take my sander at my shop that I did the body work with on JJ up here, and I can sand all these molding marks down. I can sand the whole thing down. All this back here that just don't look good, I can sand that down. And then I can spray it with that black paint that I painted my dash with, and it will look good if I do that. Other than this will never line up right. But anyway, I can learn to live with that. But I'm going to put this in JJ real quick, and we'll see what it looks like once I get it put in. Well guys, here it is. This is the center console installed. It does look better than it did sitting out in the yard, but it don't look great. These molded seams right here, it looks like they took a hot iron or something and tried to melt them down to get the ridges off of them, and it just don't look very, very good. This gap right here I was complaining about earlier, it's still there, but you can't see it as bad as you could when it was sitting out there on the concrete a while ago. So anyway, I will probably do something with it to try to make it look better, just to make the color more consistent, because it's got shiny spots and it's got flat spots on it. But I do like the usefulness of it. I've sat in the seat already, put my elbow on the armrest, and it's like the perfect height. The e-brake is easy to get to, and it even, these little cup holders back here in the back, they'll be handy for the kids when they're back there riding. So anyway, let's go to the driver's side and look at it. This is the driver's side. It does look better than the passenger side. It still has these molded seams where it looks like they took a hot iron and smoothed them out, but the texture and the color is more consistent. So anyway, I will try to do something to try to dress that up a little bit and make it look better. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I know it was really short, and concerning that product, I didn't know if any of y'all had looked at it or was considering it, but for $95, that's what I give for it, shipped to my house. I think that's too high. I think it should be $39.95. I think that'd be a good price for that console, because I'm not happy with the way it looks. I'm gonna have to work on it. And by the way, if y'all want to see me try to repair on it and make it look better than it looks, leave a comment down below. If I get enough comments, I'll make a video of doing that. Otherwise, I'll probably fix it off camera. I didn't know how many of y'all might be interested in me trying to make that look better. So anyway, short video, and I'm done. I'll see y'all next time.